Cook like a god with THOR Kitchen. The THOR Kitchen 30-inch professional wall oven raises the bar on cooking ingenuity. Take charge of mealtime with a touch glass control panel that makes setting your desired temperature a breeze. Like what you see? The white LED display makes it easy to read time and cooking functions to instantly let you know what's going on inside. Show off your culinary mastery with multiple cooking modes, including a convection roast setting that cooks meat evenly and continuously, sealing in juices quickly. The result? Crispy, juicy spatchcock chicken that's so picture-perfect, it should be framed. Open wide. Take a look at 4.8 cubic feet of cooking versatility. This oven is ready for any meal you can dish out. The handsome dark blue porcelain interior can handle the high of a 3,500-watt broiler and a 3,000-watt bake. The bake element is hidden under the floor, eliminating hard-to-reach areas that collect food and spills. When your work is done, chill out while the self-cleaning function does its job. We don't compromise on eye appeal. The bold, sexy stainless steel exterior makes it clear you take cooking seriously. The THOR Kitchen 30-inch professional wall oven. It's ready when you are.